Okay, today's a big day. We're gonna take all our chickens that's in the barn over there, and we are transporting them to our makeshift chicken run here. We were gonna build the Justin Rhodes style meat shaw, but we decided to, we already had one built, so we just used our trailer. Basically all it needs to provide is shade, and I had a trailer sitting around, so I put a tarp over it, so if it rains, they're protected from the rain. And then we just leave the food out here. We can pour it on the grass. Really, we just want them to eat the grass and the less chicken food. Saves you money. There's a ton of grasshoppers out here, so that's a lot of chicken food too. That's good stuff. That's organic food. So they got some grass to eat, and they're gonna fertilize the you-know-what out of this section, and then we'll just move them on and on and on until they're 8 weeks old, and they graduate to the freezer. So, the kids are ready to go. All right, guys, you ready?
Yeah!
Let's do this.
Woo.
Did you turn the fence off?
Fence is off.
Okay.
What do you think, Bella? What do you think of those funky looking
Mom, maybe
chickens?
you can go up close. Yeah, show them more.
Here. So this is a Cornish cross at, what was the date you bought them?
July 11th.
July 11th. So it's
They were probably born July 9th.
July 9th. So you're looking at probably around a 3-week-old bird. This is how big they are, 3 weeks. So you can see they already got their feathers. Look at that meat right there. That's the rotisserie chicken meat right there. Yummy. Look at that, tastes so good. Now we're gonna go over here. We'll show you the chicken. No, I want to kiss them. They're kind of dirty. Let's show them the little makeshift chicken coop. Sean, it goes out. There you go. You gotta pull it out. So there's probably about 20 birds left. And we're gonna leave the egg layers in there because they're still pretty small and they'll get right through that fence. Here we are. Chicken wranglers. You guys are the chicken wranglers.
The what?
You guys need like a miniature pony. You could be the chicken herds. Chicken herdsmen.
Poopies. Poopies chicken. Yeah. Good Bella.
Thanks, buddy. Watch out for the little ones. Guys, right behind you. The white ones. Good job, Morgan. You're a chicken gathering champion. Got the last one? Get all the poop out because that's where our stuff, swimming stuff is going.
In my pocket.
What's cool about these is put their food on it. You could even keep like a big tub of water with a little valve on it and fill up their water from there. But we have our well water right there. It's not very far. We can actually just hook up the hose to that. And we have that 100-foot hose. It'll probably reach to here.
Yeah. It goes all the way to the other paddock.
Now the cat is in here.
How to get in here without getting shot?
It's not on.
Oh yeah.
We are hot. Come over here, Kel. Let's see what we're getting. See it going? Sure. Mom's gonna film it. So you put it on there. Don't touch it. Push the button. We are getting 4
Kilovolts.
killer volts, man. Whatever that is, KV. I call it killer volts. It's not, it's weird. Like you grab it, it doesn't hurt, but if you barely grab it, hey, it'll get you.
Oh.
So, chickens are hungry, but at least they got grass. We're gonna get new, what's it called? Woods. Hay and grain. They have awesome food. $18 for homemade, non-GMO. I think they even grind it and have their own mill. It's on, Kara. Don't touch it, please. Thank you.
You shocked me.
Guys, please don't touch it.
Look at the cats. The cats are staring
Oh.
at it.
So here are the layers. They are the remaining chickens in this brooder for now. Don't put the cat in there, okay? I know cats are friendly with him, but I don't want to take that chance quite yet. So these are all our egg layers.
Scared.
What's that?
The cat is scared.
Scared of chickens?
Yeah, the chickens are scared of the cat.
That's pretty cool. So over here is where we have a bunch of hay. These are to this door here, and these are the horse stalls.
Yep.
So there's, looks like they had one named Barney.
Barney.
See here, here's the place for the food. And this was Sadie. And then over here was Lad's stall and the big pile of hay. Old hay that the horses and cows from the previous owners didn't eat. So Dylan grabbing a pitchfork. Watch out, guys. There's barn cats. You hunt the mice, you little micer? Well, we've probably found about 5 dead mice, so they're working.
Oh my gosh,
And we found a bird this morning. Okay, let Rocky go so we can hunt the mice in here.
Okay.
Let him down right there. He'll figure it out. And here's the chicken brooder. So get about 5 more of those, and then we gotta spread it out because those Cornish cross poop so much they really soiled it in here. Pasture life, eating the bugs in the grass. Hope it keeps the coyotes out. They're gonna have a good dinner tonight. Kira wanted to help too. You got your shovel? Is that your pitchfork, Kira? Let's see. Get a big old pile of it, Kira. There you go. Oh, look at all that. Woo! That's a lot.
That's more than
That
done.
looks pretty heavy. Okay, go put it in the chicken coop.
More than I'm done.
Good job, Kara.
I can't.
Just throw it up and over. Right in there. Perfect. Yes. Good job. Go get about 25 more of those.
Here comes Dylan. I do one more.
Okay.
You'll see that Evan will get the green light before Wild Bill would, because they're different brackets.